stopped at a BP to get diesel for our tractor, and oh, what do you know, they're right over here. And these are the heat pumps. There's one of the refrigerator components, and this is old. This right here is a Carrier air conditioning. The model number's all worn off, as you can see, but it's a Carrier. All the guts are hidden in the back, and that one there, I believe, is a Goodman. This is actually running. I'll just hurry this up. This here is a Goodman. Goodman Manufacturing. Model number on the Goodman is CPLJ60-1A, and this says Central Cooling Air Conditioning, Heating and Cooling Equipment. Serial is 0301479650. This is 04 Goodman. Is this a heat pump? Yes, this is a heat pump. You can see the reversing valve right there. So, Goodman air conditioner and a Carrier Weathermaker series. And over here is a refrigerator freezer component. What brand are you? Made in the USA. It's a National Ice, Manitowoc, Wisconsin. This thing is for the freezer. Yeah, for the freezer. Looks like the repair tech left the compressor there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, these are the air conditioners on top of an Advanced Auto Parts. They appear to be either Carrier or Train. I'm not entirely sure. There they are again. So yeah.